Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get this Royal Match hacks and mod for your Android or iOS device. Guys, look of this Royal Match mod menu have a lot of feature like unlimited coins, unlimited hearts and stars. Guys, look of this. After press this button, everything is loaded up. It's so crazy. This mod and hack works both for Android or iOS device, and guys, look of this have a lot of feature. So this mod works both for Android or iOS device, and it's updated for 2026. So how to get this application Royal Match ++ for your mobile device? It's easy. Open your favorite browser and follow me. Type this in the search bar Royal Match, like me, press install, wait to finish this process. The last step is easy verification. After complete, this Royal Match ++ application will be installed for your mobile device. Once the verification is completed, this is last step, our application is already installed in my mobile devices. So thank you for watching, bye bye.